We were examining the fact that USA News reported that the cost of college tuition and fees was $10,116. However, we claim that that cost is actually greater than what that news reported. So we're given one list of data, so we're going to calculate a sample t-test for a population mean. So your null and your alternative, you have to write those in terms of your two hypotheses. Your null is always the statement of no change. So we expect that the population mean is going to be $10,116. However, our claim is kind of how we're going to structure that alternative hypothesis, which is a statement of change. So we claim that this cost is going to be greater. So for our alternative, our population mean is greater than $10,116. You can do different types of hypotheses testing depending on what your claim is. You can say that the population mean or a population proportion is going to be greater, less than, and then you can also test that it's just not equal to that actual population value. So in this case, we're just testing that it's greater than, which is going to be a right-tailed test.